Okay, I am behind on some things, and one of the things is sharing my beauty empties from November, and we're like almost halfway done with December. So let me go ahead and get this done right now. I've got a couple of minutes. The first thing I have here is the Milk KUSH, I think it is called, mascara. I got this free from Influencer and I used it. I have to admit, I used it for longer than the 2 to 3 months you're supposed to be using a mascara. I didn't have any issues, but doesn't mean that that's what everyone else should do with their mascaras. It was really good. I liked it. It went on really well and smooth, and my lashes look great. It didn't clump at all, but it's expensive, I believe. I know I looked at the price when I first got it and I was like, oh, but I don't remember what the price is, but it's more than I typically pay for a mascara, so I won't be buying that. Second thing is the Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc serum. I use this on my face during the day. It helps with controlling oil and helping me to shrink pimples and blemishes and everything, and so I really like it. I stopped using it for a little bit when I was running out and was using it kind of sparingly, and I did notice a difference in how my skin looked and felt when I wasn't using it as consistently. So I bought a couple of jars more of it, and we are using it every single day again now. The third thing is the Noxzema Classic Clean Original Cleanser. I use this at night to remove my makeup. It does a really good job of getting all of my makeup off and getting my face nice and clean at night. So I use this every time I wear makeup. And if I'm not buying Noxzema, I'm buying the store brand version. And if I'm buying the store brand version, it's because Noxzema is out or I'm trying to save a few dollars in my budget. And then the last thing I have here is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I use this to set my makeup, and I will tell you, when I work from home, I don't use this. I only use it when I go out, and I'm going out for an extended period of time to certain kinds of places. And when I don't wear this, I notice a difference in terms of how quickly I will start to oil up in my T-zone and how my makeup will look, how my pores will start to show. Like, this does a really good job of keeping my makeup in place and looking good for a long portion of the day when I'm out. So I continue using this and will continue buying it.